In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect GitLab with Cursor.AI. By the end, you'll have everything linked so Cursor can work smoothly with your GitLab projects and repositories. First, make sure you're signed into your Cursor account and that you have access to the workspace or project where you want to set up the integration. It also helps to have your GitLab account ready to go since you'll need to authorize access during the process. Once you're in Cursor, start by heading to the main dashboard or the settings area, depending on how your interface is laid out. You're looking for the section labeled Integrations. This is where Cursor lets you connect to external services like GitLab. It might appear in a sidebar menu, a top navigation bar, or under Workspace Settings. If you don't see it right away, look for a Settings or Gear icon, then check for an Integrations tab within those options. When you open the Integrations section, you'll see a list of tools and services that Cursor can connect with. Find GitLab in that list. Sometimes there may be separate entries for GitLab and other version control platforms, so double check that you're choosing GitLab specifically, not GitHub or another provider. Click on the GitLab option to begin the connection process. At this point, Cursor will usually present a button or link such as Connect, Authorize, or Link Account. Go ahead and select that. This will trigger a secure authorization flow and either open a new window or redirect you to GitLab's website. If you're not already logged in to GitLab in your browser, you'll be prompted to sign in with your GitLab credentials. Once you're signed in, GitLab will show you a permission screen. This page explains what Cursor is requesting access to, such as your repositories, basic profile information, or project metadata. Take a moment to review the requested scopes or permissions so you understand what Cursor will be able to do on your behalf. If you're comfortable with the permissions, confirm the authorization. This usually means clicking a button like Authorize or Allow on the GitLab page. After you confirm, GitLab will securely pass an authorization token back to Cursor, and you'll be redirected automatically to the Cursor interface. Back in Cursor, you should now see GitLab listed as connected in the integrations section. There may be a status indicator showing that the integration is active. In some setups, you might have options to choose which GitLab groups or projects you want Cursor to access. If those settings are available, go ahead and select the specific repositories or projects that are relevant to your work, rather than granting blanket access to everything. If Cursor offers any additional configuration options for GitLab, such as syncing branches, enabling commit-related features, or restricting access to certain team members, this is a good time to review and adjust those settings. Clear configuration helps keep your workflow organized and protects sensitive projects from unnecessary access. To confirm that everything is working, open a project in Cursor that should be connected to GitLab and check for Git-related features such as repository views or file syncing. If you see your GitLab content available inside Cursor, the integration is successfully set up. That's all you need to do to connect GitLab with Cursor.AI. Navigate to the integration section in your dashboard or settings, choose GitLab, authorize the connection, and verify that the integration is active and configured the way you want.